Good morning. It is Friday, March 19th. Where'd you go? There you are. All right. Hi. Today we're going to actually model a real object in Inventor. I'm sorry, in Tinkercad. I thought it was pretty awesome, some of the stuff people were coming up with, very creative. Today we're going to be a little less creative and a little more technical. You're going to need a calculator, a ruler, preferably with inches. We are going to convert to millimeters though because Tinkercad uses millimeters. And then you're going to actually submit a photo of your object and your Tinkercad model. I want you to start really simple at first so you can build your confidence. If you want to go crazy after that and model something really complex, that would be sweet. But for now, I just want you to stay with me. Maybe get something boxy. Tinkercad is limited in size. The build plate models the actual build plate of a small 3D printer, about 7 by 7 inches. So I want you to grab an object that is smaller than 6 inches in any one dimension. So I've got some kind of makeup thing. I don't know what it is that my wife had laying around. So I'm going to measure it. I'm going to get the length, the width, and the height of this object. And here we go. So first of all, the smaller dimension, right? If I measure across, I'm going to try to hold this up. Don't forget, inches are broken into 16 little spaces. So this is, approximately, it looks like about 11/16 of an inch. Okay? And if I rotate it, the other dimension is also approximately, well, now it looks like 12/16. Let's just call it 11/16 of an inch. 11/16. All right. So 11/16 by 11/16, and the height of my object is approximately, I'm gonna say about 5 inches. Okay. So 11/16 by 11/16 by 5 inches. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna switch over to Notability, and I'm gonna clear my screen. Okay. And as we're talking, I'm going to plug in my iPad because it's about to die. Okay, so 11/16 of an inch. And as I said, Tinkercad uses millimeters. So we need to convert inches to millimeters. Millimeters are tiny. They're much, much smaller than an inch. There's actually 25.4 millimeters in every inch. So I'm going to multiply 11/16 by 25.4. So to multiply fractions, you might already know this. You can I'm going to type in 11 divided by 16 times 25.4 divided by 1. Now dividing by 1 doesn't do anything, but I did it anyway. 17.46. I'm going to round off to, you know what? Tinkercad will let us put in 2 decimals. So I'm going to leave that, 17.46. Now, that's not inches. We just converted inches to millimeters. All right? So that is the length, the base of my shape. That's the length and the width. So we're going to use this measurement twice to make a little square, and then we're going to extrude it up. The height was 5 inches. To convert that to millimeters, we're going to say 25.4 millimeters for every inch. So we would just multiply 5 times 25.4. Again, you could divide by 1, but that doesn't do anything. And you get 127 millimeters. All right. So that is my those are the measurements I'm going to need to model my shape. If I were to draw a little sketch of my shape, sorry, that wasn't very good. Right, the side to side measurement right here, and the depth measurement right there, those are both 17.46. 17.46 millimeters. And the height is 127 millimeters. So that right there is what we're going to model in Tinkercad. All right, let's go to Tinkercad. Create new design. And all we need to do is drag over a box. So here we go. Here's our box. Now I'm going to tap away for a second. Okay, to model the dimensions, you could tap on your shape, and then when you start to drag one of the black dots in one direction, you get one dimension. You want that dimension. So in my case, it would be, I already forgot, 17.46. So I tap on the number, and then on my screen I get the dimension pop up, 17.46, and that's millimeters. Okay, hit OK. So I did it in one direction. Now I want to click on the black dot going in the other direction and make that 17.46 as well. 17.46. Okay. There you go. So now notice if I click on one black dot, I get 17.46. I click on the other black dot in the other direction, I get 17.46. Now I'm ready to extrude, so to speak. So I click on my shape and I grab the white dot that's at the top. Okay, this dot right here will give me the height. Right now it's only at 22, 23, 24, 25. I need that to be 127. That's pretty tall. Let's see what happens. Off screen, so let's zoom out, or I could use my navigation cube to click on. Nope, there it is. All right, so that is my object, and it looks pretty good. It looks proportional. It looks like, if it looks like your object you're modeling, then you've done a good job. All right, take a screenshot. You guys know how to do that. You guys are all tech savvy. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to take a screenshot of your actual object and take a screenshot of your, or should I say photo of your actual object and a screenshot of your Tinkercad sketch. Put them side by side. As long as they look alike, you did a good job. If you have any trouble, shoot me an email. I'll be available on and off all day long. Life with a 3-year-old. All right, have a great day. Be safe, and I'll talk to you soon.